Welcome to the Bearing Expert tutorial series. The Bearing Expert Toolkit is used throughout the plant. Access to the bearing data directly affects inventory management, engineering and design, and condition monitoring and vibration analysis. This tutorial will introduce and focus the basic generic search feature of the Bearing Expert database. Before we begin, let's highlight a few of the well-known facts about the Bearing Expert. The Bearing Expert database is used by over 60% of the world's largest 1,000 global industrial manufacturing companies. It is used by industry consultants for vibration analysis and also is used as the data source for many condition monitoring software products on the market today. In addition, it is used by bearing manufacturers and bearing distributors due to the depth and breadth of the bearing database. The Bearing Expert is the single most valuable source for all bearing data. It includes, as you will see, manufacturer parts interchange reporting, vibration frequency data, harmonics, dimensional data, diagrams, and links to manufacturer catalogs. Now we begin to look at the main search screen for the Bearing Expert. Initially, in the upper left-hand corner, you have the option to select your product category. The Bearing Expert defaults to bearings all types. In the Search By box, you have the option to search for bearing data by part number, dimensions, manufacturer, or by frequency. Frequency is related to and used for vibration analysis and condition monitoring and will be explained in more detail in the reverse search tutorial. The generic part number search is the most popular way to locate bearings data in the toolkit. When entering your part number, eliminate all dashes, periods, and spaces, except in between a whole number and a fraction. For example, RAK2 space 7/16. If you are going to search for a bearing by dimension or manufacturer, you must go up to the search criteria box and select a bearing type from the drop-down menu above. For those of you interested in vibration data, the main search screen is where you will select the shaft speed, number of harmonics, and reporting units. The defaults are displayed. Clicking the RPM button will toggle the other reporting unit option of cycles per second. Also notice the links on the main search screen to these tutorials and to the manufacturer catalog. If you enter a complete part number, the Bearing Expert will bring you directly to the manufacturer interchange report. In this case, we have entered a partial part number, which brings us to a parts listing report where we can then scroll down to find a match to the part we are looking for. Note that when you enter your part number into the generic search, you do not need to enter the manufacturer, just the part number. Here is an example of our manufacturer interchange parts report. You can see in the header of the report all the dimensional data for this bearing, represented in both millimeters and in inches. You can also see the part number in the left column listed by manufacturer sorted alphabetically with any special comments for that part designation. In this case, we are viewing or looking at an RAS1 pillow block. Unique to the Bearing Expert, you can search either on the pillow block number or the bearing insert number. The bearing insert number is designated in the part number after the asterisk. The Bearing Expert is also highlighting whether or not this pillow block is an eccentric lock or set screw in the comments section of the report. For more information on the Bearing Expert, please look at our other tutorials. We go into more detail on accessing the vibration frequency data and how the Bearing Expert is used in condition monitoring. There's also a tutorial designed specifically for storekeepers and tool crib operators to understand how the bearing expert can be an asset for reducing inventory costs. Or you may always contact us directly to ask any questions or get more information. Thank you for your time.